Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've got this Manticore and this Deus 2, both 11-inch coils, okay? We'll show you a difference here in these two detectors, and we're just going to look at the fast program in both of these machines. New Deus 2 owners and new Manticore owners may find this video helpful. Question is modern trash looking for higher conductors using both these machines in a fast program. Well, which one has an advantage? Well, the Manticore actually has an advantage, I think, when you don't use any notch. But I'm going to show you something here. You see the fall? I got it taped there, and you see that jab, a clad jab. I'm running fast program, and I've took all the notch out of this program. It comes with 23 and 4 notch in the factory program, speed 2. You get to see what that dime reads there, okay? You see what I'm talking about here? No tricks, boys. Speed 2. I can slow it down to 1. We'll just leave it at 2 for now, okay? I'm going to sweep this fall on this dime here. Now, I'm in the pitch tones. Okay, I could go to full tones, I guess. Full tones. We'll look at all tones on that machine over there, okay? That's square tones. Let me get rid of them. I don't like them. PWM tones now, okay? Full tone. So you get to hear this machine sweeping over there. Now I'm going to sweep that Manticore very similar. The highest ID coming in that window, 77 a KZ, 74. Full sweeps. 75, you seen that? So if you're in a site and you're hunting with this machine with an open screen, no notch, you sweep over that right there in full tone. Would you know there's a higher conductor down there? 77 is not necessarily a higher conductor, okay? That's the dime, 91, okay? So, I'm going in here and I'm going to add some notch. Now, I've showed videos similar to this before. The only problem is I didn't have the Manticore to compare it with where I could talk publicly about it. I had it, I just couldn't show it. Now I can show it. Okay. There's a 85 for a notch. 0 to 85 notch. Okay. So you get to hear that. So knowing you got 85, 0 to 85 notch, now you're getting close. There's a higher conductor down there, okay? And notice what that meter does. Don't give ID all the time. I'll slow this machine down. To 1. Okay, but at least you're getting some indication there's a higher conductor down there now with an 85 notch, okay? Now I can go here and go ahead and go back, and I can go to pitch tones, okay? And we'll look at the depth or the prospecting tones on that Manticore, okay? Even if you don't get an ID in a while using this machine with that much notch, you know, that right there's telling you something. But notice what happened when there was no notch, you know. You wouldn't even have really a clue that dime was down there. I mean, unless you suspected a 75 reading signal or 77 was a dime. Okay. So we're going to turn the Manticore on in fast program. Okay, you get to see it here. Fast program, speed 5. We're going to look at first one region all tones. This is going to be simple profile. Okay, you get to see the clad dime by itself. 7879. Okay, now we're going to come over this like we did with the Deus 2. You notice the Deus, this machine here is actually giving closer to dime ID on sweeps. Now I don't have any, I got 0 through 4 is all that's not. You see the left part of the screen there? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here to this machine. We're going to go in here to notch. Big old span there. We're going to go here, we're going to start putting some disc in this machine. And I'm going to notch it all the way over to about 70, 72 maybe. There's 72 right there. See it? Okay, so there's the clad dime by itself. Now we're back over here. So we get that ID in that window. We get that high tone. Now that's the one tone all tones, okay? Audio theme is normal. We're going to change that. Say you're going to run disc, that much disc out there, or notch, whatever you want to call it, okay? There's the solo dime. Now we're back over here. You get to hear what that sounds like. And then we're going to go to the prospecting audio thing. You get to see the ID. Okay. So when you don't have anything in comparing this scenario right here, it would suggest you could run fast on this program, okay, with this machine and not have anything notched. And you have a higher chance of hearing some higher conductors mass versus the DS2 using fast program. Now, that's not to say you might get some advantage with this machine here running some disc, okay? In some modern trash situation. Now, I've got her back down where I think 0 through 3 is what's notched, okay? Let's sweep over this again here. And I got to get out of this audio theme here. Got to go back to see what I'm in here. Normal, one region, all tone. So, from the numerical standpoint, watching that meter, if you sweep over this a few times, you would have a better clue that dime is down there with this Manticore, okay? Versus the DS2 running an open screen, comparing fast program to fast program, okay? I hope you enjoyed.